In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to make money on Instagram. You'll be able to earn anywhere from $100 to $10,000 per month without even showing your face or photos. There are 2 ways to make money on Instagram. The first way to make money is by monetizing your content or uploaded videos. And the second way to make money on Instagram is to directly sell ads on your page. Now I will tell you more about these 2 ways to make money. The first method is available after connecting monetization to your Instagram account. To connect monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers. After that, you will be able to monetize your content that you post on your Instagram page. You'll be able to monetize your real videos that you post. The price for 1,000 views is different, and it depends on the category of the video and the country of viewing. You will be able to earn from $100 to $800 for 10,000 views. Instagram users who have less than 10,000 followers will be able to earn approximately $200 to $400 per month after connecting monetization. The second method does not require conditions for making money, because you will be able to search for an advertiser on your own and sell them ad space on your Instagram page. For example, you will be able to advertise other Instagram bloggers who want to gain an audience quickly. You can also advertise a product or referral links that will bring you additional earnings. You can advertise paid pages where your followers can sign up for a paid monthly subscription, for example, your Patreon page. This method has an advantage because you will be able to sell ads and earn money even if you have less than 500 subscribers. Earnings are up to you and the price for your advertiser. These are the 2 main and most popular ways to make money on your Instagram page. In the following video, I will tell you how to advertise your Instagram account for free. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my videos. Thank you all for watching.